So hopefully I can swerve these speed bumps, get some smooth rides in, and get this audio perfect. So if this gets uploaded this week, then you know the audio worked perfect. So back to the video. Back at it again with another video. I know y'all are probably thinking, 405, it has been a minute since your last video, and it's not been 2 to 3 months. You know, I know y'all probably like, dang, you know, another video within a week. Yeah, I know it's true, but you know, I gotta get back. I gotta get in the game. Gotta get in the game with this YouTube. You know, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I'm on the journey to 1,000 subscribers right here. You know, I plan on getting it by the end of the year. We're already at 361. You know, I'm planning on, hey, once I hit that 1,000 subscribers, man, this channel is gonna be popping. Yeah, I said it, popping. Hashtag popping. Anyways, but this video right here is a special video to me. It is the introduction to my latest sponsor. They're a great company, great customer service, great products, without a doubt. But I want to give a drum roll right here. Big shout out to T-Rex Grills. Man, I know y'all probably saw it in one of my previous videos where I show my upgrades on my car. You probably noticed the T-Rex grill. But let me turn here real quick. I don't know what these people are gonna do. I don't like this turn. Slowly. But I got the T-Rex grill put on it, and you know, I love this product. I love it. It's great quality, you know, great finish. I actually got the black mesh chrome. I didn't want the chrome because it's just too flashy with my car. It's the blacktop edition. You know, chrome just, it's not gonna cut it with this car really. So I got the black chrome. It gives it a nice finish. And they reached out to me. Actually, I always post, you know, Instagram photos of, you know, products, and I tag, you know, the companies and stuff, just hopes that they'll, you know, see it and try to reach out to me somehow. But you know, God is my witness, man. T-Rex actually reached out to me one day. They actually commented on my photo. They love the product, and actually hit me up in my DMs and was like, you know, hey, you know, we love this product, we'd like to work with you. I'm like, hey, I'm 100% on this. So they actually got me my own discount code. So if you ever want to use T-Rex for your next build for your car or anything, definitely use my discount code MOPAR. This is in all caps, MOPAR, MOPAR _405. That'll be good for a 10% discount on your whole purchase. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but with these products, hey, any bid will help. They're high quality, great finishes, and hey, it's definitely worth it. So I definitely want to give them a huge shout out. But also, the reason I chose T-Rex is basically, you know, they've got awesome grills. They got the billet grills. They've also got the mesh grills, of course, and they've got some like luxury grills, which isn't my liking, but hey, it definitely will look good on some cars. So they all got some awesome grills for some trucks. They've got them for the cars, SUVs, you know, any kind of car out there. Basically, definitely give them a shout out on your Instagram if you want to. Give them a, you know, check them out, check out their products. But this video actually, as I'm gonna get into it, this video is just gonna be like a little promo video because it's part of my sponsor deal. We want to get a promo video of the grill on the car, what it looks like. I know I did a previous video, kind of like a promo shot of all my upgrades, all of my modifications, but this one's definitely geared just towards the T-Rex grill, what it looks like and everything. So got some hand shots and stuff like that. And the install was basically pretty easy. Now, in the instructions, I had one of my body shops do everything, and she told me that the instructions for the T-Rex grill, for the upper grill, they tell you to cut out your OEM grill and replace it with the T-Rex grill. But me personally, I wouldn't recommend that, because if you were to cut out your OEM grill and put in the T-Rex grill, say, you know, you have an accident to where you hit a rock, or, you know, just you have an accident to where you know, cut out a portion of your grill. either you're going to be driving around with the T-Rex grill with a big old hole in it, or you're going to have to remove the entire grill and be driving around with a big old hole in your front of your car, and it'll look, you know, real tacky and stuff. So me personally, I recommend to do the top and the bottom bolt-on overlay. They tell you to do the overlay for the bottom grill, of course, because it's just a simple, you know, bottom grill overlay. You don't really have to remove anything or anything like that. But I recommend the bolt-on for the top and bottom, because I actually like the look it gives with the OEM in the background. You can kind of see it at some points, you know, if you turn to the left or right or up and down, stuff like that, you can kind of see it at different angles. I like it personally, so that's why I kept the OEM grill there. You know, worst comes to worst, you never know, you might have to take the T-Rex grill out, get a new one, and then put it back on, so you're not, you know, up poop creek, I guess you could say. So I just love this product. Definitely this video's for y'all, T-Rex grills. This video's for y'all guys. You know, appreciate it. Appreciate the customer service. I definitely look forward to doing big things with y'all, you know, in the future. Definitely. I know I said definitely a lot, but they're a great company. Definitely check them out. I'll put all of the links in the description below, the discount code. Also from my other sponsor, Gentleman's Driving Club, all that stuff will be in the description below. Definitely share this video. I want y'all to share this video, like this video. I want y'all to share it with your friends, your family, your boss, your next door neighbor, your baby mama, your baby mama, if you got one, or your ex-girlfriend, ex-girlfriend. Just share it with everybody out there, guys. You know, I want this video, this channel to, you know, grow big. I want it to be an awesome video. I want it to become, you know, one of the top big channels, you know, of all time. You know, I know it's big dreams, but we all got to start somewhere, and that's why I'm trying these vlogs, and I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone basically, just to help myself out there to where I'm comfortable socializing in different events, because I'm really I'm not a social butterfly, you know. I'm really nervous when I'm out in crowds and stuff, so I'm really trying these vlogs to get out there and talk to y'all. I know it's not one-on-one, but everyone's gonna, you know, millions of people are gonna see these videos hopefully, and you know, I just want this channel to become a family, you know, one-on-one with y'all. I just want to make content to entertain y'all, and you know, get on a cool level with y'all, you know. So definitely subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video, share this video, share this channel. Let's get this journey to 1,000 subscribers on point, man. Let's get it. All right, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Check out this promo clips for T-Rex Grills. Definitely a great company. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Peace out. God bless.